This is such an amazing experience. I mean, I never expected it to be like this, but I learned a lot, and I noticed that all the speakers all talking about something that would heal the body at the same time. There's unity in everything that was mentioned today, and it's just an amazing experience. I've never had something like this. There's a meeting of the hearts and the minds right here, and it's a whole day wonderful. Plus the food is wonderful. It was a feast. And yeah, okay, so and the energy, the closing that Charles did, the connecting of the energy, it is needed at this day and age. We need to connect, reconnect, and stop dividing people, right? So this is so wonderful, incredible, and amazing for me. Okay, yeah. So I thank God for this experience.